Hey bag lovers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited because I'm going to share my recent Fukuoka, Japan vintage luxury haul. It's actually one, two, three LV babies. Oh my god. I actually flew back to the Philippines just last night and now I am vlogging about this already because I'm so happy with this purchase and I'm so excited to share it with you guys. Another reason why I'm so happy with this purchase because one of these is actually my fantasy bag, my dream bag. I've been looking for it all over the world. Literally every country that I go to, I try to check LV branches there if it's still available. Apparently, it's a vintage piece already. So yeah, I'm so excited to share it with you guys. So now let's start with the smallest one. So here. So the smallest one is actually ta-da! It's a long wallet. I am so happy with this purchase because I'm really looking for a long wallet that will work for me. If you know me, I am a small bag person. So I'm really looking for a slim, long wallet that will fit my small bags. And I found it here, finally. This Louis Vuitton wallet is the Portefeuille International. And I love it because it definitely works for me. So it is slim. It's very straightforward. So as you can see, there's no back zipper or any pockets. And there is no bulky hardware. And it also doesn't have any heavy zippers. So it's just a classy, elegant, flat design, which actually works for me because again, I usually have small bags with me. And yeah, it fits perfectly. So as you can see, it is a monogram canvas with the classic Louis Vuitton print. The material is coated canvas. It is made in Spain. Inside, there is a pocket here, also a slim pocket here, and the bill compartment, and then three card slots. So there you can fit maybe 3 to 12 cards inside. So the main function for this LV wallet for me is really for the bills. So yeah, I really love it. Look at that. I was surprised that they actually have a design like this because this is the perfect design for me. It's not bulky, it's just very slim and yeah, and very functional as well. So yeah, so happy with this purchase. Oh my god. Let me show you more details. There. That. There. Inside. And yeah. Anyway, backstory. I was actually looking for the passport holder, or maybe I'm actually not sure what kind of model it is from LV, but it's also a vintage piece. It is long like this, and if you open it, you will see some card slots here, and just a very plain design here. And I'm looking for that because I wanted to put stamps whenever I go to other countries for remembrance, right? But yeah, I was not able to find it. But yeah, I think this purchase is good and at least it's more functional. Yeah, that's it for the first one. So next, before we go to this is actually my dream bag. Again, as I mentioned a while ago, my fantasy bag for the longest time already because it's hard to find. Let's set this aside because let's reserve the best for last. So we'll proceed with the biggest bag purchase for this haul. So I love the box. Look at that. I love the detail of the box. So let's open it. And it's actually so this is ta-da! Oh my god! I'm also happy with this purchase because again, small bag girl. So yeah, so it's very straightforward. It's just shoulder bag like that, and I'm so excited to use it. So yeah, I think I will be able to use this a lot. So before that, let me show you the details. So this is actually Louis Vuitton Musette Tango. So yeah, I love this piece so much. Every time I look at it, my heart jumps a little because I really like it. I can't believe I was able to score this very good price. So yeah, it's similar with my long wallet. It's a classic monogram canvas with that classic LV print as well. So as you can see, it's very thin. I love this kind of bags. And it has adjustable strap. So yeah, I'm excited to wear it. This. And I think it will go with anything that I wear. I love it because it's very simple and straightforward as well. So it's a flat design. Actually, this is a bit similar with my fantasy bag that I will show you later, but this is just bigger. So definitely I will be able to fit more inside. And I want to show you, of course, my slim long wallet fits here. So let's see. So again, it's flap design and it has this snap button closure. And inside looks like this. So it has a pocket inside as well. There. So yeah, let's try to fit. Of course, this will definitely fit. So just imagine if I was able to buy a bulky long wallet. So it will take up the space of this bag already. But I have this wallet, so I'm so happy that everything worked out. Now let's try to fit some more stuff. So a lippy. Of course, my phone. Makeup. Small perfume. So yeah, every time I go out, I always make sure that I have a perfume. Small sized perfume, of course. So that is a necessity. And more makeup. So yeah, so this is how it looks if you put something inside. I really love this bag. Super love. Ta-da! It's so cute! It's so cute, right? Yay! So again, this is LV Musette shoulder bag. I don't know how will I officially call the bags that I like. Maybe a coffee round bag. I don't know. As if I'm drinking coffee. But yeah, I like straightforward small bags. So there. Oh my god! I'm still so killing every time I realized that I was able to score these pieces. Oh, by the way, just a backstory. My first LV bag is actually purchased by my hubby. So these LV babies is finally purchased by myself. So that's why maybe it's more memorable for me. I'd like to say it that way. So yeah, oh my god, I'm so excited to use this. Let's go. Moving on to the next bag, the dream bag. As a small bag girly, this is actually a ta-da! It's Pochette. So, yay! Oh my god. God knows how long I've been looking for this. Literally. I always look for this whenever I visit LV stores. But apparently, I think they discontinued this already. But I'm so happy to score this finally. This is included in all of my vision boards. And finally, I have it already. So this is Louis Vuitton mini. No, it's not mini. I think this is the Louis Vuitton Pochette. So this is the LV Pochette and this is the LV Musette. So yeah, it's just a little bit bigger. A little bit bigger there. But again, I like this kind of bags. So yeah, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I still can't believe that I was able to score this. Finally. So yeah, I this is my favorite part of the Fukuoka, Japan trip. I intend to replace the strap into a gold chain so that I can use it as a crossbody. And I'm so excited to do that. So yeah, oh my god. So there. I think everybody knows about this bag already. So it's very straightforward as well. Zipper closure. And inside is very straightforward. It doesn't have any um pockets as well. But yeah, it's a mini bag. It's another mini bag for Dixie. So let's try the slim long wallet here. Slim long wallet. Let's see if it fits. Ta-da! So now I can fit some more. Of course, my phone fits. So yeah, I like this size better than the mini pochette because there's also a mini version. I think it's this small and a super mini one. So I also like that. But of course, the priority is to get this first, right? Like, this is like a mini shoulder bag. I really like this size. So yeah. And I'm loving it so far. And let's try to fit a small perfume. Perfect. And uh a lippy. So technically, if I'm just going for a coffee run date, those are the things that I'll bring. A wallet, a lippy, a mini perfume, and a phone. And it works. So far, it looks like this. Ta-da! You can fit some more, but for me, those are my coffee date essential. So, ta-da! It looks like this when it has things inside. Oh my god, it's perfect! I love it! So, this is bulky already, this makeup. So, I will not put it inside. So, it will not be deformed, but let's try it if it still fits. Oh, oh, interesting. Still fits. It looks like that. But let's see if I can still close it. Still close it. Oh my god. But it looks kind of deformed already, which I don't like. So I will not put that. Maybe if I will be able to find a thinner foundation, maybe. Yeah, I'm okay with this already. Fume, lippy, phone, and wallet. And again, I intend to replace the strap into a gold chain. So I can use it as a crossbody. So it's going to be super perfect. So yeah. Hi, I'm so happy with this one. So let me just show you again our vintage Fukuoka, Japan haul. We have the Musette, the Pochette, and the slim long wallet. So there. LV babies. Thanks for watching. Bye. Bye. Hey, bag lovers, for more bag reviews like this, please don't forget to follow us on YouTube. That is Love Lucy channel. So see you there.